the interstate. We're going to get off at Hazelton Road, looking for Ringer Farms, our next stop. Taking the exit 29 to Hazelton Road, and we're taking a right here. We're going to Ringer Farms at 1301 Bolyard Road, Brewston Mills, West Virginia. Robert and Susan Ringer operate a 63-acre farm with beef cattle, dairy cows, chickens, and more. Turned off on to Bolyard Road for the Ringer Farm, topping the hill to see the farm. And we've made it. There's the cows. Lots of flies with the cows. Ringer Farms. Ringer Farms. We don't rent pigs. 2 cows sitting on the corner in the hot sun. It's like a farmer's market. We have some tables set up with produce. At this stand they have tomatoes, zucchini, cucumbers, eggplant, hot peppers, beans, tomatoes, and more.
I hear there's some really good tomatoes over there.
This is the ornery tree, ornery acres.
I think I may know a person who has really good tomatoes. I'm not sure who it is.
They offer rattlesnake beans, $3 a bag.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
So you're Cherry Acre Farms?
Yes.
Are these different stations set up here to offer
Yep.
things for the event?
Yep.
All right. You've got some bread.
We have bread, we also have chicken and pork.
Okay.
Oh, we're out of bacon.
We're out of bacon.
We bought
Looks-
6, I think we sold that. We got
Okay.
Looks like you're selling stuff fast.
Yes, we
Yeah.
are.
Check things and we'll be back.
Okay. Enjoy. There's baby lambs and a baby calf and then some dairy cows up there.
Farm merch. This one has menu of burgers, chips, drinks, water, juice, tea, and raw creamline milk. What's Preston County Burger? Patty from Ringer Farms, the bun from Cherry Acre Farms, tomatoes from Ornery Acres, lettuce from River Ridge Farm. All Preston County Farms. Hi.
Hello.
Here's the farm merch. Here's the raw milk,
All right, we'll try. Have a good one. All right, you too.
beef, steaks, roast.
Never mind, you're good.
Here they're cooking the burgers. We're going to go up to the barn and check it out. It says, come join us at the barn. They said there's some baby lambs and stuff up here. Going to check it out. Going to go see. Here we have some cows. Hi, cows. We have some signs. Hi. There's 2. And more coming, and I'm not feeding you. Some information. Back to the little barn. Surrounded by trees. If you want to milk a cow, cow even has a little feed. Here's the cow, the inflatable cow. Baby lamb. Aren't you pretty? Yes. There's one over here too. How are you? You eating and I disturbed you? You went on the other side of the fence? There's another little baby sleeping. That its name is Della.
Yes. Her name is RFS Zorochrome Della.
Well, that's
It's a big
cool,
name for a little girl.
cool name.
Farm. And then these are my kids' market lambs for the Buckwheat Festival.
Oh,
So if you know anyone who's looking for a lamb at the Buckwheat Festival, you're remember Tupac and Biggie, Marco and Polo. That's who you want to buy.
All right.
And then the 2 pens out here, the pen closest to us is cows that are all in milk. So they all get milk twice a day. The farthest pen are the heifers. So 2 heifers that are down here are Jerseys. They are 2 years old. And then up in the far corners, the Holsteins, they're a year old. And they are probably a good 8-12 inches taller than the Jerseys already. But if you did the crawl last year,
No.
okay, as I say, they were in here. They were just little babies
little
last
babies.
year. So it's fun to see how much they've grown in a year.
So the different breeds, do they separate themselves or kind of hang out in their own little
Seems like
group?
it doesn't it? They wouldn't had they been all the same age group.
Right.
So Rhoda is the red and white, Midnight is the black and white. They actually were in the pen behind the house until about 2 weeks ago. We're running low on water. So we moved them up here, so we only had 1 trough that we had to work with instead of trying to do the extra troughs. So they know each other, but they're not like best buddies. They've not grew up together.
Okay.
So they segregate, but they'll, like, she's going up there now to mess with them. They have no problem. They all eat together out of 1 trough and stuff like that.
All right. Yeah, water's a big issue now. It's so dry and so hot.
Very, and we're operating on a well here. So we did dig a pond. It's not deep enough yet. We dug to the limits of our equipment. So we need to rent some stuff and dig it a little deeper. My son wants to put fish in it. And my kids, we've never been able to go when the crawl's going on. But we went up there, they had, I don't know, it's an open house or something.
To the buffalo farm.
Yeah, and it's amazing just to see the size of it. Like, my kids have seen buffalo before. We've been to Yellowstone. They've had them walk by the car.
Oh.
But it's a whole different perspective to see the size of the handling equipment.
Huh.
You know, like, my cows fit in this gate here. A buffalo's head wouldn't even begin to fit through. That,
Oh, wow.
Like, that's what's shocking to me, is to see how much bigger. Like, take a look at my fences. Take a look at their fences.
Okay.
You know, there's a whole just different level of calmness with these girls, but it's just something. I think it's great that they open their farm because it's free and you can see it once in a lifetime type thing. So
All right. Well, thank you.
no problem.
I'm sure they do.
That's the only thing we can say. We have 3 counties. No one knows we exist.
And we're the first state. I mean, a lot of people don't know Delaware's a state, which is sad.
It is where?
On Cherry Grove Road, for
Okay.
Cherry Acre Farms.
And you also have.
Chicken and pork. Package.
I got
You
it.
grab.
Give us a pack of those.
Yes.
There you go. And then we do deliver.
I'll take a basket of tomatoes.
Okay, great.
You're welcome.
You change it. Okay.
Grandma might not be as sad.
This farm crawl tour is completed. Leaving the Ringer Farm, headed to the Riffle Farm American Bison. Traveling from one farm to the other, and we're on the Brandonville Pike now, cutting across the country. Pretty farmland as we're on our way to the next farm. Not sure if you call that farmland or not. I guess this is a ranch. Sunshine Daydream Memorial Park up that way.